package already been finished, been wired already. I'm getting ready to flip it over. Okay, go in the back. I already put the hooks, so when I lift the print, it will flip the thing over the pallet. As you can see, it's nice and tight on this side, the cardboard. Okay, so we're ready to go for Freddy. Okay, Giovanni, come here. Let's see if you do the crick. I mean, it's still recording to do like that. Amy, I want to see the pallet on the bottom. You're going to just keep it rolling like that. Yes, sir. You don't got your finger in the front of it, right?
Put my finger in front of it?
We did a good job or what? Tell me about it, man.
Beautiful.
Huh? You can see the brick, nice and tight. So that's all you're gonna get for 5 cents. Machine is working with a brand new pack on the cylinder, new gasket, all 9 yards. Thank you, Jesus. You work good. We're ready for another project now.